Hello everyone. Did you know that your phones have certain settings that remember and analyze every action you take in your apps and beyond? Even basic actions. For example, how many times you've tapped your phone's screen, how many times you've unlocked it in a day, how many times you've visited Google Play, and which apps you've used. All this information is sent to the developers. No one will tell you exactly who or where, of course. These actions, of course, don't help you in any way. And the developers or other people to whom this is sent know practically everything about you. I, for one, wouldn't want a setting like this enabled that collects important data from my phone. Plus, for all this to work, as you can imagine, it takes up a portion of your RAM, keeps your processor running constantly, and drains your battery. I'll quickly show you what to do. Subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and like it. Let's go to our standard settings. Here, look for the item called Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. And look, there's a built-in block that analyzes everything and sends information. Here, I've gone into Themes, Security, and Google Play so many times, I got 6 notifications, 3 unlocks, and I've been rummaging through the settings. Basically, it's all remembered and sent somewhere. If you used any other apps here, you'll see it here too. Here, tap the 3 dots. Data management is at the top right. We'll disable daily phone usage. Here, tap Close. Access in Settings and then scroll down to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. We'll disable Allow Access. Here, we'll use the back arrow to go back. Back arrow again. Daily phone usage is now disabled. Go back, and this block is gone. These are simple settings to make you feel safer and make your phone work much faster. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends.